Hello, today we are heading to Isle of Skye. It is a great day for it, but the most spectacular, the key point of our journey today is Quiraing. Driving along A87 right now. It is a spectacular road. I've been on it so many times, but I never get fed up with these views. They're always different, depends on weather, on the season. And if you're going to Scotland, if you are planning to visit Scottish Highlands, I think A82 and A87, these are roads which you should take if you want to see some nice scenery. Don't take A9, it's boring. I think you can see much more taking A82 and A87. And perhaps you see these laybys on the left hand side. There's so many of them. If you are on a holiday and if you are not on a hurry, you see a traffic behind you, pull over and let them go. As simple as that. Don't feel the traffic behind you. That only causes frustration, and frustration can cause accidents. I dropped off 2 empty skips on the way up, but that was not very interesting. So now I'm taking these 2 and we are heading to the key point of our journey. That's a very popular destinations, and by the look on the Google reviews you can tell that people are happy to go over there. The reviews are very high. It's a road which goes from Staffing to Puig. Basically it's a shortcut when you don't have to go around the top of the island, and that's what I'm going to do today, because I've got 2 empty skips to drop off, one in Staffing, other one in Puig. So we'll go this way, and perhaps you can do it yourself if you are able to, take your car and there. But I don't think that many of you will have a chance to take a skip lorry along that track. Here we come to Staffing, a little village slash town, I would say. And you see these mountains on the left, that's where we will be going. Over these mountains to Puig, but first of all I need to find a place where my customer is. Didn't answer the phone, which makes it a bit more complicated, but hey ho. Perhaps you can see over there a guy or a lady is doing a paragliding. That's something which I would like to try one day, but not today. Today we are doing skips. that is right. A customer sees me passing by in his pod. I will follow him and he will show me where to put it. Perfect situation. I need to turn around first. Here we go. I'm always worried going over the cattle grid. Not sure if it can manage the weight. Said he'll go at the front to stop the traffic. Have a clean run. I messed up the gears. Thank you. Perfect. Here we go. Time for Quiraing. So here we go. We turn off Quiraing, and to sign 15% ascent of the hill. I have to say, this guy doing paragliding, can't ask for a better day for it. Oh, here comes the tractor. Paragliders up there. So many potholes on Skye, not only on the little single track roads, but pretty much everywhere. What's happening here? Oh, that's painful. Oh. On you go, man. Someone lost some bits. There we go. Farther up the hill. Just looking for a spot to take a break. there'll be a place for a lorry. Why not? Why not? Let's take a break and let's see what's the crack. You know what? I'll do something else. I don't want anyone to spoil my flight, asking me for a parking ticket. So Rocket Tracker will park up off the road over here. So then I don't need to pay. There we go. I'm off the yellow lane. Nej båda, nej drama. Free parking spot for Rocket. See, there we go. Parked up. Let's have a flight. Maybe one day, same kind of flight as they have. That used to be a road sign. People want to leave something behind, like a stickers. It's better to leave stickers behind than rubbish. Don't do that, we don't want that. What else we have here? What can I say? It's hard to get a better spot for flying a drone than this. That was a very successful break, I would say. And now we are heading for Uik. So we are leaving Quiraing behind. That's very kind of you. Thank you very much. Yeah, so now next destination is Uik. I've got another empty skip to drop off. However, now we have a wonderful view. Sorry for a dirty windscreen. It's just this time of the year, bugs, midges, they are out again, and many of these bugs end up on the windscreen, which makes a mess. And there is not much you can do about it. Screen wash won't help. However, I'm not here to talk about bugs or midges. Maybe on another occasion. Down there you can see Uik, the harbor, and there is a ferry coming in. That must be ferry from Hebrides. I've never been on Hebrides yet, but if you are watching this video and you are on Hebrides, maybe consider if you would like a skip, but I don't think so. It's very unlikely. I'll have to go there as a tourist. However, I am a tourist today anyway, you know, I'm getting paid to drive around these places. Will I make it? No, I won't. Barely there. We made it. People are coming from all over the world to see Scotland, and I'm getting paid to do it every day. How cool is that? On that note, I would like to end today's episode. Thank you all for watching. Stay between the verges and under the radar. I will see you on the next one.